Welcome to our video on financial management for freelancers. As a freelancer, mastering your finances is the key to long-term success. In this video, we will guide you through budget optimization, taxation, saving, and investing your freelance income. The first step to financial success as a freelancer is budget optimization. Start by categorizing your expenses and determining your monthly income. Track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize your essentials, such as rent, utilities, and healthcare. Minimize discretionary expenses and save for emergencies. Understanding taxation is crucial for freelancers. Make sure to track your income and expenses diligently. Deduct any eligible business expenses to reduce your taxable income. Set aside money for taxes and pay estimated quarterly taxes to avoid penalties. Consider consulting a tax professional to ensure compliance and maximize your tax deductions. As a freelancer, it is essential to save for the future. Set up a separate savings account and automate regular contributions. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses as an emergency fund. Having a safety net will provide peace of mind during lean months and unexpected situations. To grow your wealth, explore investment opportunities suited for freelancers. Consider opening a retirement account like a Solo 401 or a SEP IRA to save for retirement while taking advantage of tax benefits. Diversify your investments by exploring stocks, bonds, or real estate. Educate yourself about different investment options to make informed decisions. Mastering financial success as a freelancer is within your reach. By optimizing your budget, understanding taxation, saving, and investing wisely, you can achieve financial stability and freedom. Stay disciplined and make smart financial decisions. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.